Hey everyone, welcome back again. So guys, in this video you will learn to set up an integration between two applications. First is LeadSquared and other is Zoho CRM, and with the help of this integration you can manage and nurture your leads smartly and efficiently. So guys, here LeadSquared is a lead management tool and Zoho CRM is a customer relationship management application. So guys, you can use these application to manage your leads, and you can see now on my screen, this is how the flow of this automation is going to work. As and when you are going to capture any lead in LeadSquared application through a landing page or website form, the same lead will be added in Zoho CRM as a new contact. So you do not have to manually see which leads are coming here, and you do not have to manually add the same leads again in Zoho CRM. So it will save your manual efforts, your time, and you can work efficiently on converting those leads with the help of these tools. So guys, here we are using Pabbly Connect application to make this integration. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding knowledge. So guys, let's begin. So to set up this automation, guys, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link, pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted the same in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, from here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, we have this create workflow button. You just have to click on it, and here you can give a proper name to this workflow. So here I am giving the name as LeadSquared to Zoho CRM integration. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page you will see the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we are going to build this automation. So the trigger is that event which is going to trigger or start the running of the workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be any lead captured in LeadSquared, okay, and the action would be to send the same lead into Zoho as a contact. Okay, so first of all, we need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose the trigger application as LeadSquared. So search for LeadSquared here. Here it is selected. Okay, and the trigger event would be new lead. So it will trigger when a new lead is created inside LeadSquared. Okay, select this, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to connect with LeadSquared. We are going to connect LeadSquared actually with this workflow, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. So you need to follow these steps written here to make this connection. You can read here. You need to reach the settings of LeadSquared, and there you will find the API and webhook section, and there you have to create a webhook connection. Okay, so let me show you the settings of my LeadSquared application, and I'll show you the API and webhook section there. So guys, this is the settings page of LeadSquared application. You can reach here from this profile icon. Okay, and here you can see on the left hand side panel we have API and webhooks option. So when you click here, you will reach here, and under the API and webhooks tab, you can see we have this webhooks option. So click on webhooks, and here guys, you can create a webhook by clicking on this create button. Okay, so that's how you can create a webhook connection. Here it is asking for the event on which you want to send the data of your captured lead from LeadSquared to your workflow. So here just click, and in the drop down you will find this lead creation option. So you have to select this lead creation as an event. Okay, and here it is asking for the webhook URL. So guys, here you can see in the workflow I have got this webhook URL. Just click on copy from here, and you have to paste this webhook URL here in the settings in this webhook URL field like this. Okay, so here you have to select the HTTP address. Here select this HTTPS / like this. Okay, right, and here guys, the content type will be application/JSON. Here you can provide a small description for this connection. So here I'm giving the description as send leads to Zoho CRM. Okay. And after that, you just have to click on save and your connection will be saved. Here you can see a new webhook connection is saved here. And when this connection is saved in your workflow, you will see this label and value in this response section. Okay, this label and value. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to click on recapture webhook response button and we are going to capture the response of this connection that we have just made. So guys, I have created a lead capturing page with the help of LeadSquared application only. This is a kind of landing page I have created, and here you can see these are the details we are asking from our leads. So whenever any interested lead is going to fill this website form or lead generation form, you can customize the form according to you. I'm just showing you the demo. So the data of that lead will be fetched here first in LeadSquared, and the data will be added here in the lead section of LeadSquared. And at the same time, the lead will be captured here in this response section also in our workflow. Okay, so here I am clicking on recapture webhook response button and click on yes from this window, and here you can see it is started showing waiting for the webhook response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to create a lead manually through this landing page, and that will act as a test lead for us to set up this automation further. Okay, so guys, this is our lead capturing form, and I have filled the form like this. The first name is demo, the last name is name, this is the demo email address and the demo number, and here I am going to click on submit. You can see here it is waiting for the response. Okay, so here I'm submitting this form. Okay, so you can see it is showing thank you for your interest, the form is submitted. Okay, so first of all, let me show you my lead section in LeadSquared if we got this lead captured or not. So I'm refreshing the lead sec. So here you can see guys, a new lead is created in LeadSquared named as demo name. Okay, so this is how we can capture the leads data. And now let's see in our workflow if we got the data captured, and here you can see guys, in this response received section we got the same lead captured here as well. Showing the first name as demo, last name is name, email address is this, okay, the phone number is this. Okay, so this is how we can capture the data guys in our workflow. And now I want to add this same person in my Zoho CRM. So guys, here this lead is coming from a landing page. You can see form submitted on website is written here, and all other things are here. Landing page submission, okay, is origin. So we can apply this condition also, that whenever we got a lead captured from a landing page, then only I want to send this person to Zoho CRM as a contact. So for that we can apply a filter here. In this action step, you can select filter and apply this condition to ensure to send specific kind of leads to Zoho CRM. Okay, so here it is asking to select a label, select the filter types and put a value here. So here I'm going to use this origin label that we have received in the test data, and I'm going to select this same label here. So when you click here guys, it will show you this LeadSquared step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you the test data that you have received. From here, just select this origin label, make the filter type equals to, and in the value put this value, landing page submission. Okay, just copy this and paste this here in this value field like this. So this means we are saying to Pabbly that when this origin label shows you this value, then only continue the workflow. Okay, so that we can capture some specific kind of leads into Zoho. So now click on save and send test request, and right now you can see the status is success, the condition is true. So when this condition is true, this workflow is going to continue and send the person as a contact in Zoho. For that, just click here on the plus icon and another action step will open up, and here you have to connect Zoho application now. So search for Zoho CRM here. Here it is, Zoho CRM, select it. Okay, and in the action event, select insert record option. So it will create a record in a specific module. So here you can see we have these modules in our Zoho: contacts module, leads module, accounts module, deals module, task module. So I want to add this person as a contact here. So use this action event as insert record. Then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection, and here you can give a name to this connection as well, and then click on connect with Zoho CRM, and here it is asking for your account domain. So my account belongs to zoho.com. Okay, here you can see this is my Zoho account. It is showing here crm.zoho.com. So I'm going to select zoho.com as a domain here. You can fill it accordingly according to your domain. Okay, then click on save, and it will bring you to this window. From here you have to click on accept to make this connection. Okay, and you can see we are getting connected. The authorization is successful, and here we are connected. And now it is asking to select the module. So here I want to add this person in the contacts module. So I'm selecting contacts. Okay. And then you can select the layout of the module, which is showing standard. So just select standard, and here it will show you a lot of fields, guys. You can enter a lot of data in Zoho, but we are going to use the test data that we have received from LeadSquared, and we are going to just fill the things we have already. So you can put the contact owner's email address here, who is owning this contact. Okay, here you can select the lead source, and if you do not have the lead source in the options, you can see we have these options here, web download, referral, partner, online store. So what you can do, you can map the thing also. You can just toggle this map button to on, and now erase this field, and from this LeadSquared option, just map this origin label. So this will act as the lead source. Here it is asking for the first name and the last name. So I'm going to use the test data to map the labels here. So from this LeadSquared option, map the first name label, map the last name label. Okay, here you can similarly enter the details in the full name as well, and in the full name map both of this first name and the last name label. Here in the email section, map the email. And guys, when you map the labels like this, what will happen after setting up this automation? Right now we are using the test data, but in real time, when you done setting up this automation, according to the lead that you're receiving in LeadSquared, the labels are going to change, and the new data will be here in your Zoho. Okay, according to the labels. That's why we map things here. So here it is asking for the title. Okay, I'm not mapping all the data. Here let's see what other things we have. Created time. So you can see at which time you have captured the lead from the first step only. Here you can see the activity date, the submission date. Okay, just map this submission date. Okay, you can provide a salutation and many things we have here. Alright, so I'm leaving these things. These are not all compulsory things. And now you can click on save and send test request to check your connection with Zoho CRM, and a new contact will be created here in this contact section. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request here. Okay, and here you can see the status is showing success. Let me show you in Zoho now if we got a new contact. So I'm refreshing the contact section here. Alright, and here you can see a new contact with the name demo name is created here at this time, and this is the email address. Okay, and here you can see we have all the details that we have mapped. You can see the lead source is landing page submission, contact name is demo name, email address, and many things that we have mapped here in our workflow is captured here and added here in the contact section. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to capture any lead from your landing page or from your form, or you just have to create a lead here in LeadSquared, and the same lead will be created as a contact in Zoho CRM application automatically. And guys, you can use the same workflow that I've created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business,
please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.